Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bantu abadala. Thokozani izindlondlo, ndiyanivusela namadlozi enu ndithi thokozani. Today I want to talk about fortifying your space. Why it's important to understand that when you fortify your space, you are setting a foundation for what you want. This is from experience. So a lot of people don't understand that when you're going to a new space or inhabiting a new space, it's important for you to ensure that everything is in line with your values and what you want. Sorry about the sound. There's some wind. And where I'm recording, it's picking up the sound. So those who inhabited the space before you, it's important to ensure that you get rid of everything that belonged to them. Even if you find in the space that you're going to inhabit, there is a pot plant that we think, oh, it's so cute. I would love to keep this. I'm going to keep it. Do not. You know why? Because when people move, whatever they leave behind, it means that they are rejecting it. They are getting rid of it. They are ridding themselves of it. You don't know what is in that pot plant, but it's important to understand that in terms of spiritual entities, they can be inhabited in any space. You will find that the person who was using the house before, bebenze isibambelo or isibambelelo, they created or they made a hex or a ritual that was going to keep them tied together as a couple. And then everything fell apart. Maybe idlozela lo muntu rejected whatever the hex that they made or the ritual that they made to keep themselves together. Because remember, some people's ancestral guides are very strong. A lot of couples, when they live in houses, they set foundations that are going to serve them or are meant to serve them for the longest time. But most of the time, what you find is that those hexes or rituals backfire. And a lot of people who find they have divorces, people who are living peacefully, all of a sudden something happens and you are shocked that they are divorcing. Only to find that the person thought that they were protecting their emotional investment, even their physical investment, by going to do rituals that are going to keep them together. But then the one who was meant to be tied, eboshwa, by this person, their spiritual guides were so strong, they rejected this and things fell apart. Then obviously, after everything has been said and done, the people, they move on. They no longer want memories from this house. And as a result, they leave whatever, the person leaves whatever they had used as a container and a symbol of their love growing. So you get to a place and you find there is a pot plant and you look at it and you're thinking, woo, this is so cute. It's an expensive pot plant. I wonder, why did these people leave it? Something nokushaya amanzi, something is just not right about that pot plant. So don't be enticed into picking up whatever people left behind. They left it behind for a reason. They were dumping it. Don't be someone who picks up someone else's dumped stuff to use it for yourself, because you'll be setting a false foundation. You'll be setting a foundation that is already laden with so much on it. So be wise and smart. Make sure that if people are vacating a space, they take everything. If they have not, do not inhabit the space before you have a cleansing, before you make sure that someone comes and gets rid of that. Don't get rid of it yourself because you think, oh no, I'm capable, I've got hands. No, don't touch it. Remember, you're still gonna live in that house. So Bokoko, I just wanted to come with that wisdom and say that, know that whatever was set there and set those people apart, it can set you apart as well from your partner. So be wise and smart. Look out for things that are left behind and get rid of them. If you cannot touch them, do not touch them. Because when those people leave, some of them, they know what they're leaving behind, and they will say, I am handing over, or I bequeath this entity or this item to the next person, and you end up inheriting something that was not meant for you, something that was not of your own creation, that will end up creating havoc in your own life. Share, stay smart, stay beautiful, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We need to grow so that we can bring you the content.